welcome back to our channel. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Detachable Ponytail in case you don't already know, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this ponytail wig I have on. This is a simple Afro ponytail wig. You can use this for any event and it's very simple to do actually, and I'm going to show you how to do that from scratch so you can twin with your sister, with your mom, with your child, with everybody you want to twin with. Okay, this looks so lovely and I hope you love this tutorial. Okay, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure to keep on watching. Love you
too.
Hey my lovelies, so this is what you need to be able to achieve this ponytail wigs. You need this ponytail net. Okay, you want to make sure it has a drawstring like this. It's a must, you must have a drawstring like this. Okay, so you need your crochet pin and then you need the extension you're going to be using. I'm going to be using the Expression twisted up springy afro twist. This is in 24 inches. I actually like this extension a lot for everything like afro, and it doesn't really tangle. It's really nice actually. And then you're going to be using your net. You're going to be placing your net on anything, any surface actually that you can be able to still work on. I don't advise you getting a canvas head if you don't have already. Once you're just doing it for like this tutorial, for the purpose of this tutorial, I don't advise you getting a canvas head. Okay, you can place it anywhere as far as it can lay flat and you're able to walk, that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my extension into two. Why am I cutting my extension into two? This extension is very long. Okay, it's actually very long, and for the style we're going to achieve, we don't need it to be that long. So I cut it into two, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start crocheting as I would normally do. This is actually quite simple, guys. Like, it's actually simple and very achievable. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you have any question. I know you're going to be curious how I'm spacing it, but basically I am just going, I'm just anywhere my crochet pin enter, I'm just taking it. It doesn't have to be 1 space or 2 space. And actually ponytail nets varies. Okay, the ponytail net varies. Sometimes some holes are bigger than this, so I'm actually making a loop on my finger and then passing the loop through the crochet. As in, what I'm doing is actually very explanatory if you actually watch it and just look at how my hands is moving. And I went ahead to do a close-up for you guys so you just see how I'm picking up the nets. Like I said, the nets are going to vary. Some might be bigger and some might be smaller. Okay, it's very unlikely for it to be smaller than this, but this is what you're going to have when you keep crocheting it round like that. Okay, so you're going to have it in the middle like this. So what you want to do is just cover up that middle. Nothing serious, you just keep crocheting until the hole is covered, and you space it according to the extension you have on hand. Okay, according to how much extension you're going to use, that's how you space it. So you just keep going, and this is what you have. Very simple, very easy. Okay, so just look at how beautiful this is. Very simple. So I went ahead to make 2 of this for the 2 sides of my face, and then 2 again for my baby cousin, and I'm going to explain how I did hers. But just look at this beauty. It's giving cheerleader vibe. Okay, so I have 1 extension left because I used 2 of the extension to make for my own ponytail nets. So now I'm going to make for my little cousin, and what I'm doing is I'm going to divide this into 3 instead of into 2 like I divide my own, because hers doesn't need to be as long as mine. Okay, except you're going for a fuller look. I feel for a baby you want to kind of like make it lesser. Okay, so I went ahead to divide that into 3, and then for our own I used 1.5 and 1.5 on each of the ponytail nets. I hope that makes sense. So there were 3 in the packs. I used 1 on one of my ponytail, 1 on the other side of my ponytail, and then the remaining 1 bundle I used it for our own ponytail, using 1.5 1.5 on a ponytail. Okay, I hope that was explanatory. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my head. Nothing serious. We're just gonna go ahead and just divide the hair into 2 equal parts. Okay, and you can actually go ahead to use this bun also to create like just one packing, if that makes sense, or 1 single bun. Okay, so I'm doing double bun. You can go ahead to pack it as a single bun. Yeah, right, you get what I'm saying, right? I'm gonna go ahead and put on the ponytail wig very easily. You want to use a drawstring. I could have gone ahead to actually put a wig comb. I'm going to leave a picture of the wig comb and attach it on the ponytail net. Okay, you can go ahead to add a wig comb. It's going to give more security. Once the wig comb is like in, it's not going to move anywhere. But this is secured, but it's not going to be as secured as when you had a wig comb. So if you're like taking it out, it's not just for like a shoot or something, you might want to add a wig comb to your ponytail net. Okay, I actually have a video of me adding a wig comb to my other ponytail nets I've done in the past, and I'm going to leave that in the description box down below, so you can go ahead to check it out in case you need explanation for that. Okay, so this is what we are having. Very simple, very demure. Okay, very nice. Actually came out really nice. It's actually really looking full, so I'm going to go ahead and trim it to the size I want. And one thing I would advise is you want to go ahead and trim it on yourself and not on the mannequin. Okay, you want to go ahead and trim it on yourself, because what you're going to try and do is you're going to try and make sure it's very equal to your face, and both of them are equal and it matches your face very well. Okay, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut that and trim that to my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my baby cousin zone on camera, so you just see what I did. It's same thing basically, but just so you get the gist, and I hope you enjoy it.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try. Yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know. They don't know. They don't know. Flight mode, you move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us, how we roll, how we roll.
So my lovelies, this is the final look. This is how it's looking on me, and this is how it's looking on her. It came out so cute. Like, I wasn't expecting to even come out this cute. Like, it's so cute. You can totally rock this on any photo shoot. Like, even to go out, you can even rock this and twin with your baby. Okay, this is so lovely. I love the outcome. I love how it looks. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And so my lovelies, that's really it for this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next week video. Love you. Mwah. Bye.